Sabu. Greetings, I'm Sabu and today I'm going to be doing a tulog na Sabu tutorial, or as I like to call it, a Sabutorial. Sabutorial. So syempre, before we begin, I would just like to say a huge thank you to everyone who's been listening to my song on Spotify, streaming it day and night. Kahit kung hindi kailangang matulog, sinistream nyo pa rin. I wouldn't be here at 500,000, 500,000 without you guys. So thank you so much to my hashtag Saburkada. So to say thank you to everyone for streaming my music, I decided na ako mismo, I will make a tutorial or a Sabutorial of tulog na. Para naman ma-share natin yung live music. I am so excited for the day that I get to attend the gig where someone is covering this song. So kung meron kayong gigs dyan, please let me know. Aside from teaching you how to play the song, magkakwento na rin ako para at least meron kayong insiders view kung paano ko nasulat ang tulog na. So it starts like this, but you take out the last one. This is how I play it. So what I did was like I just moved these two up here. O diba? Sobrang dali lang niya. Tapos, just to jazz it up, I slide it from here. This is an A. And I go to B and C. I don't know. I really don't know what chords these are, but you know, ginaganon ko lang siya and that's what I came up with. Sabay tayo. Okay, ready? Hindi alam ng puso kung paano nagising. Kailangan mag-pause dyan para dramatic, diba? Tapos lingin ka kung saan pumasok yung crush mo, gano'n. Dramatic lingon. So, di din naman ako handa nang bigla kang dumating. Hey! Tapos, alam mo pa, ganun pa rin. Di ko muna aaminin na done with our verse. So yung verse natin is just D, A, D, A. So yun na yung pre-chorus. Yan, F sharp. Ngunit C sharp minor. And di pa rin ako handa. Kaya itong puso'y ulit lang. Tutulogin na muna. Kasi diba, what else are you supposed to do kapag minamit ka ng person na sobrang perfect for you pero hindi ka pa rin nanda? Timing siya eh. It's a timing kind of thing. And if it's not time, then maybe it's not him. Oh, snap! And that's what brings us to the chorus. Tulog na puso ko habang patuloy na umikot ang mundo. Puso ko, di na kailangang madaliin ang pag-ibig na totoo. Tulog na. Hindi alam ng puso kung paano magsimula. First time yun eh. Kung mawala ng takot na bigla kang mawala. Before I move on, may mga kausap ba ako dito na first time din umibig? Paano ba to? Paano ba magsimula? Okay, sige, first time ko to. I'll jump in this. Pero, are you gonna jump in also? Wala pang relationship, diba? Emotion pa lang siya. Kasi yun, natakot ka na kasi hindi mo alam kung same ba or kung sinabi na niya na G na siya. G na siya. Parang, wow, gimmick. Sinabi niya na he wants to pursue you na. Pero, hanggang kailan? Hanggang saan? Paano kung nakilala mo talaga ako tapos hindi mo naman nagustuhan? Ako pa rin ba yung pipiliin mo? Ako pa rin ba yung mamahalin mo? Hanggang sa dulo na walang hanggan. O bigla ka na lang bang mawawala? Kaya ito talaga yung emosyon, guys. Alam mo pa. Sige. Aaminin ko na. Actually, yung pag-amin, yun yung pinaka parang, wow, I'm so brave. Ikaw ang una. Ngayon, hindi pa rin ako handa. So, ganun pa rin yun. F sharp, C sharp minor. Oh, pasensya ka na kung ang puso ko'y patutulugin mo muna. I got this idea from a verse in the Bible. Nabasa ko, do not awaken love until it so desires. Parang ako, grabe. But parang gusto niyang magising, di ba? Yung parang ilang years ka nang tulog, tapos gusto niyang magising. So excited to love. I also just felt na hindi pa time kasi hindi pa nga ako ready. And some people are gonna argue na you're never gonna be ready. But I guess for my own standard of how a person would be ready ka na maging selfless. Ready ka nang to put that person ahead of you. To not just keep on asking for love, but to focus on giving love and being filled with love from God. Wala pa ako dun. Wala pa ako sa maturity of putting someone else first. Because I also had studies and that really also had to come first. I'm just really thankful for that verse kasi dun ko nakuha yung idea ng papatulugin yung puso. Actually, I wrote the song originally in English. You guys wanna hear it? Go to sleep. Heart, go to sleep. Heart, go to sleep. Heart, go. I would just play that to myself in my bedroom. And then I decided, like, what if I make it Tagalog kaya? And so that's how Tulog na came about. I realized while writing the song and while singing this to myself, na it helps so much to speak to your own heart. Kasi minsan yung heart mo nga, ang ingay. Diba? Sabi niya sa'yo, hindi, now na, go na. Pero you have to tell your heart na parang, wait, chill ka lang. Diba? Parang, and when you speak to your heart, it calms it down. It aligns it with your mind. And your mind and your heart, when they're aligned, then you can make a better decision. If it's true, then there's a right time. And it will also be timeless. So, yun yung, that's the kind of love that I'm excited for. This bridge talks about just trusting God na kung sino man yung para sa'yo. Pag pinagpipray mo siya, God really hears you. And God is really preparing that person for you. Hinga ng malalim. Hindi bulong sa hangin. Ang mga panalangin ng puso ko. Pag nananalangin ka, nakikinig ang Diyos. Diba? Hindi siya bulong sa hangin. When you pray to God for the desires of your heart, He will give it to you. But you have to trust God that He is also changing your heart and making your desires right. Kasi what if what you desire isn't what's good for you? And siya yung nakakaalam nun. So, I was just really grateful kasi yung bridge, sobrang healing din siya for me. Let me go back to one last chorus. Same chords, friend. Puso ko habang patuloy ng ikot ang mundo. For other people, especially if you see some of your other friends getting into relationships and ang bilis naman, bakit sila meron na? You're not going on the timing of this world. You're going with God's timing and it's always perfect. Hindi na kailangan ng dalian ang pag-ibig. That's how it ends. Hope you guys enjoyed this Sabutorial. I hope may natutunan din kayo from my song. Please do subscribe kasi I'm gonna be posting a lot more music soon, a lot more videos, more Sabutorials if that's what you want. If you have any questions, you can ask me down below. Once again, thank you so much #Sabarkada for loving my song, sharing it to your friends, and even to your enemies. Road to 1 million tayo ang Tulog na. And if you haven't listened to my other song on Spotify, it's called Walk Alone. Sana mapakinggan nyo din. Yun, road to 500,000 pa lang. This is the end of my Sabutorial. But don't forget, you guys were created to create. Bye! Sabu!
Call me mad to let you go.